Good morning, my dear students. So, dear students, since the last few classes, we are revising the chapters which has been provided in your party book and has already been finished. Now, uh, since the last two classes, we have started your second chapter from the party book, which is Little World of Mud. And student, we have already revised the summary of the chapter as well as the important word meanings from it. Now student, after it, uh, the next part that comes here, it is the textual question answers. So student, I've already given you a note on the textual question answers which are important for this chapter. That's why I'm not giving all these question answers once again. You can just review the videos that I have given earlier, as I have not make it private. You can see my videos at any time. So student, after it, that means that after the question answers, the main thing that we need to discuss from this chapter are the important textual grammars. And student, the important textual grammar which has been provided in this chapter is articles. So now students, what is an article? An article is a word used to modify a noun, which is basically a person, place, object or idea. Then student, we can divide the articles into two categories, definite and indefinite. So the article which comes under the definite category is the, and the indefinite articles are a and n. Now student, please have a look at the uses of the indefinite article, which is a. So student, we use a before the nouns, the common nouns which are singular in number and begins with a consonant sound. Say for example, a boy, a toy, etc. Then we put a before the nouns which starts with u but sounds as oo. Say for example, a utensil, a university, etc. Then the third use is we put a before the nouns which starts with the letter o but sounds like wa. For example, a 1 rupee note, a one-eyed monster, etc. Therefore student, from it we can find out that a is also used before the word that begins with a vowel but which has a consonant sound. After it, let us have a look at the uses of n. We put n before the singular common nouns which starts with a vowel. Say for example, an eagle, an egg, etc. The number 2, we use n before the words which starts with h but sounds like or. Say for example, an honest man. Therefore student, n is also used before the nouns that begins with a consonant sound, that begins with a consonant letter actually but have a vowel sound. Now student, let me show you the uses of the definite article, which is the. The is used when we refer to a particular thing or person. Say for example, give me the pen lying on the table. Here student, the speaker is telling about a particular pen, that's why we have put the before it. Then number 2, n or a is used when we refer to a particular person or thing for the first time, but when the is but the "the" is used when we refer to that person or thing afterwards. Say for example, a person come to our house yesterday. The person wanted to talk to father. Then the third point is "the" is used with seas, oceans, rivers, mountain ranges, etc. Say for example, the Narmada, the Himalaya, etc. When there is only one noun of the kind being referred to, say for example, the earth, the sun, etc. With proper nouns like the names of holy books, famous buildings, newspapers, trains, etc. We use the. Say for example, the Holy Quran, the Red Fort, the Gita, etc. Then with superlative degrees, say for example, the most intelligent, the tallest, and the last is to show position of the noun. Say for example, the first, the second, etc. So student, here are the uses of the articles a and the. After it, and another important grammar has been included here, which is apostrophe. So student, we use apostrophe to show possession. Say for example, this is Rita's toy. As the toy belongs to Rita only, means Rita has the possession of the toy. That's why we have put apostrophe s after Rita. Then in short forms we use apostrophe. Say for example, did not have, didn't, haven't, etc. Then comes the uses of apostrophe s. We use apostrophe s to the singular form of words. Say for example, the cat's name is Meow. Then to the plural forms that don't end with in s. Say for example, the children's park. And the third rule is to the last noun when something belongs to them. Both. Say for example, he is Mitali and Krishna's father. So student, these are the few rules that we must have follow while putting apostrophe or apostrophe s after certain words. So student, with it, here is our end of the discussion on the important textual grammar which has been included in this chapter. But student, for your better understanding, here I have included an exercises on the articles. Let me read out the question for you. The question is, choose the correct article a, an, or the. So it means student, here you can see 5 sentences are given with some dashes, and we have to put the correct articles in these dashes. So student, here I have written the answers for all of you. Let me read out the sentences including the correct answer. So the answer of question number 1 will be, are you coming to the party next Saturday? Number 2, I bought a new TV set yesterday. Number 3, I think the man over there is very ill. He can't stand on his feet. Then number 4, I watched the video you had sent me. Then number 5, she was wearing an ugly dress when she met him. So student, here are the answers. I hope that you all have understood the articles properly, and also the apostrophe and apostrophe s. And students, please note down these exercises. Please note down the exercises into your classwork copies, mentioning today's date. And students, please don't forget to mention the date, otherwise you will forget then when you have done a particular exercise, and also we will face a problem while checking your answer scripts. So student, with it, here is our end of our today's class on this topic, as well as the chapter Little World of Mud. Now student, in tomorrow's class we shall discuss the poem that has been included in this chapter, and the name of the poem is Roger the Dog. So student, This is the end of our today's class. Thank you so much.